Morning, everyone. Virgo Triad here. It is March 26, 2018. Happy Monday morning to everyone. I hope you're having a great start to your work week. I needed to just take a couple of minutes to explain something to a few people that I think have gotten confused with regards to some of the gurus that are out there uh, talking about what they are calling a do not detain list. And I wanted to thank Trixie Belton for actually making mention of this, as there have been many people that have been visiting a lot of the gurus' sites that talk about this do not detain list and how to obtain it. So we have taken a look and done some research with a criminal law attorney who has answered some questions with regards to the do not detain lists. So the person who answered this question goes by Zoe_JD. Just answer criminal law mentor. Category is criminal law. Satisfied customers 29,640. Experienced, admitted to New York State Criminal Defense Bar in 1989, extensive arraignment, hearing, and trial experience. This is an actual criminal attorney that answered this question. And by the way, just so that you know, Just Answer actually vets all of their people really, really well. In the event that you want to be someone who answers questions in any of the professional categories, you are required to provide them a copy of your actual transcript. So there is not somebody sitting behind the screen here that does not know what they're talking about. Now, with regards to the do not detain list, the question was asked, how can I find out if I'm on a do not detain list? Okay, so Zoe JD, which is the criminal lawyer, answered the question as such. Hello, my name is, and of course, we're not going to put the real name here. We're going to use the screen name. I am an experienced criminal lawyer. Is there some reason you would be on a do not detain list? Question mark. If there's such an actual list, it is used for those who are confidential informants, witnesses for the district attorney in a criminal case, or those who are the target of a long-term investigation for much bigger offenses. In any case, unfortunately, the only one who would know would be the police, and they are not going to tell you if you call and ask. If you think of a reason they'd be watching you, then it's best to change that unlawful behavior. If you can't think of any real reason for them to be watching you, but their actions are bothering you and you feel you are being harassed, then you want to carefully document all of this contact by the police and then complain about the harassment to the superiors of the officers involved, the chief of police, internal affairs, and your state attorney general. As you see, the criminal lawyer who has been in that field for for almost 30 years now, is explaining that if you are on a do not detain list, here are the reasons why. Because you are a confidential informant, because you are a witness for the district attorney in a criminal case, or you are the target of a long-term investigation for a much bigger offense. There is no such thing as a do not detain list that you can put yourself on. So for those of you that are attempting to try to find out how to get a package for do not detain, or for those of you that are watching gurus that claim that they can put you in a status of do not detain through the Federal Trade Commission or through any other entity, state or federal entity, that will assist you in the law enforcement, the people in law enforcement not being able to detain you simply because you have declared yourself sovereign, or you have declared yourself in one way or another not a part of the United States quote unquote corporation, as they like to say. That is not a possibility. If you are on a do not detain list, it is for other reasons, these three reasons being the reasons. So therefore, I wanted to make sure that was plain and clear to those of you who are actually attempting to try to find out. In the event that you are concerned that you have actually purchased a do not detain package and you want to find out more about this, you are welcome to go on justanswer.com and look up the criminal law mentor Zoe_JD, who has been in criminal law since 1989, and ask them. Ask them about this, because the truth is that in order to be on a do not detain list, you would have to be in those three categories. You cannot place yourself on a do not detain list. Okay, so I hope that's helpful to those of you that are looking at packages for do not detain. It's a very bad idea to get into a scenario where you're paying a guru for something that they cannot provide proof of. A lot of times what these gurus are doing, as you've seen in the past, they're providing proof that is not really proof. It looks like it for a second, but when you really get behind the page of it all, you find that it is not at all what they are claiming. A lot of these gurus have been known to falsify things or to just flash things in front of the camera without giving you the opportunity to really read them. So there you go. Do not detain list does not exist unless it is something that is brought about by law enforcement. You as a citizen, be it private or public, cannot put yourself on a do not detain list, period. All right. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.